Every day, millions blast through digital front doors. We navigate these thresholds at high speed, rarely pausing to consider the barriers we cross. Consider this specific artifact: Instagram, log in, sign up, copyright 2026 Instagram from Meta. These 10 words represent the primary gateway for one of the most populated spaces on Earth. At a glance, this text appears to be a basic element of web design, a simple set of instructions meant to facilitate your entry. Closer inspection reveals a different structure. These 10 words function as a series of highly engineered legal gatekeepers. To understand the modern web in 2026, we must perform a forensic reading, treating these ignored words as the subject of a digital autopsy. We begin at the top of the interface. This zone is defined by active verbs that dictate how you are allowed to enter. The phrase "log in" serves a specific mechanical purpose. It filters for users who are already registered, quantified, and known within the database. Next to it, "sign up" targets the outsider. This is the acquisition mechanism, designed to convert a guest into a permanent data point. This diagram shows the portal's logic. An approaching user is forced into a split binary path. You belong to the system or are a candidate for capture. This ensures every visitor is sorted, dictating your presence before seeing a single post. Ultimately, the portal's primary operation is not granting access, but executing a mandatory categorization of your digital identity. Moving to the bottom of the screen, we find the legal footer, which operates under a completely different logic than the portal above. The copyright symbol functions as a defensive perimeter. It clearly signals that this interface is not a public utility, but a proprietary asset protected against external use. The year 2026 acts as a temporal anchor. It ensures the platform's legal protections are explicitly tied to the current calendar year, refreshing its claims to the present moment. The combination of this symbol and the date transforms the digital space into private intellectual property. While the content inside the app is often unpredictable and user-generated, the entrance itself is defined by absolute legal stability. This timestamp identifies the platform as a private territory, governed strictly by the property laws of 2026. The final sequence of words clarifies the power structure of the entire page, beginning with the proposition "from." The word "from" establishes a relationship of dependency. It confirms that the Instagram product is a subordinate branch of a larger entity. This hierarchy shows Meta as the central repository. Every bit of data and capital originating from the subordinate Instagram branch is directed into this single corporate entity. This phrasing makes the corporate hierarchy inescapable. The entry point serves the parent company's interests first. Look at the complete string of text one more time. Instagram, log in, sign up, copyright 2026, Instagram from Meta. Each piece performs a distinct role: a sorting mechanism for users, a legal claim of ownership, and an acknowledgement of corporate hierarchy. This forensic look reveals how a functional space acts as the trigger for a rigid legal contract. What looked like a simple greeting is actually a list of terms you accept the moment you engage. Clicking past this text is the precise moment you officially enter and submit to the Meta ecosystem.